guys. We've almost made it through another awesome week. I am so impressed with the work you guys are doing. Keep it up. Alright, yesterday was Marshall's birthday and it was September 23rd. If yesterday was the 23rd, then today must be the 24th. Let's go write that on our date. September's the 9th month. September 24th, 2020. September 24th, 2020. Let's check the day of the week. I see that digraph there. Thursday. So if today is Thursday, hop backwards to yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. So if yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday, then tomorrow will be Friday. Whoop whoop. Alright, we've been at school 11 days now, so I need to add one more. I see that I have one rod, one group of 10, and one 1. What number does that look like? Did you say 11? Because you're right. Alright, let's make 11 cents. I want you to first think about how you would make 11 cents. What would you do? Tell somebody, what would you do to make 11? For me, I'm going to pick up a dime, because that's 10. And then I'm going to add one more to make 11. Alright, know these words. Do. Why. Were. Here. Does. What. Alright, you guys, we're starting at 1 and we're going to 120. Counting like normal. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120.